Today's topic is how to install AutoCAD 2027 via Autodesk Education Plan. Here, you can see the installer files we obtained from the official Autodesk website. To begin, double-click on setup.exe. After clicking, it will start preparing for the installation process. After the preparation for installation process is completed, AutoCAD will start verifying all the minimum system requirements. Next, the license and service agreement page will appear. Read carefully and click on I agree. Click on Next. After clicking, the product installation location will appear. Here you can keep all the default settings and click on Install. This AutoCAD software is large in size, and it may take a long time to install based on your PC configuration, so fast forward this portion. After the installation is complete, a restart window may appear. For the time being, click on Not Now. Click on Finish. After clicking, AutoCAD may not start automatically. Hence go to Search. Search and click on AutoCAD 2027. After clicking, AutoCAD will start automatically. After startup, it will automatically redirect you to the Autodesk login page. To use your official student credentials, you must have an active Autodesk educational account. I've linked my previous video below, which shows the official registration process on the Autodesk portal. Enter your verified educational credentials. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. After clicking, it will ask for OTP sent on email. Enter the OTP. Click Next. After clicking, Trust This Device window will appear. Click on Trust This Device. After clicking, it will show you your sign-in confirmation. Click on Go to Product. After clicking, it will redirect you to the Autodesk ID Manager, which may require confirmation. Put a tick on Always Allow. Click on Open Link. After clicking, it will redirect you automatically to your desktop product. Here, you can see that your sign-in is confirmed. To verify, click on Sign In. Click on Manage License. As you can see, the software is correctly verified under the educational program. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.